Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. You may want to know how to transfer or mirror videos from your iPhone to your computer. This video tutorial is concentrated on mirroring iPhone videos to the computer. If you are interested, please keep watching. Tip 1. Stream iPhone videos to Windows PC with AnyMiro. Before talking about the steps, let's introduce AnyMiro to you. AnyMiro is an exclusive tool for mirroring mobile phones to the computer. It supports mirroring iPhone or Android screen to both Windows PC and Mac. For screen mirroring iPhone to Mac, users can apply the built-in AirPlay, but when screen mirroring iPhone to Windows PC, you can only seek help from a third-party tool. AnyMiro is such a tool that can make streaming iPhone videos to PC easier and simpler. If you want to learn more, please check the link in the description. Now, let's show you how to use AnyMiro from iPhone to PC. Download and install AnyMiro on your PC. Enter iOS or iPad mirror and choose the screen mirroring method. Follow the inside instruction to mirror your iPhone to PC. Tip 2. Live stream iPhone screen to PC. AnyMiro can also integrate with streaming tools to help users stream iPhone content to YouTube, Twitch, Discord on PC. Let's show you how to do it. Download and install OBS Studio on your computer. Open OBS and click on the plus button under the Sources box. Select Window Capture. Then create a new source and select the AnyMiro window that mirrors your iPhone. Resize or move the window capture box in the scene preview to display your gameplay as desired. To connect OBS to your YouTube account, you'll need a stream key. Go to your YouTube Live dashboard, click on Stream, and copy the stream key from the right side of the page. In OBS, click on Settings Stream. Now select YouTube RTMPS in the Service dropdown. Then paste your stream key into the stream key field. Click OK to save the settings. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.